Today, the continent of Antarctica is facing the problem of global warming. Its causes are burning fossil fuels, greenhouse gases, and deforestation. Global warming means rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system. In Antarctica, sea ice and glaciers are melting. Ice shelves break off into the sea. Coastal areas are flooded. Antarctica is the Earth's last great wilderness, the world's largest laboratory, an unspoiled place. In Antarctica, ecological problems are the results of both environmental pollution and carbon dioxide emissions. Environmental problems make life difficult for birds and animals. Some of them are endangered. Environmental problems destroy the habitat of many animals. Antarctica attracts a lot of adventurous tourists.